our Vietnam vlog today.
5:46 a.m. and we are having our first meal.
Very good.
We got chicken. Hi.
Why is it so weirdly angry?
We are now waiting to board the plane. Yeah. Can you say something?
Okay, hi.
Are you excited?
Yes, so how excited are you?
100. Okay, no, we have to like.
Okay,
The transition is like what? No, you have to close and then we open then close. You know or not? Like that. Yeah. And then next time you open.
Okay, let's do that. Okay, come.
Stop laughing.
Why is it so cringe?
Bye. Then you.
Hi guys! We're at Man Moi.
Let's go.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Duck breast.
The breast is gonna take a little bit long, about 30 minutes.
Yeah, we are gonna have a makeover later. Have new hair and new nails. Or nails now.
Yes.
Okay, that's it. New tour. This menu. She wants to go home.
Do you think we can finish?
Confirm can finish one.
Guys, the guys are ordering way too much.
Do you think so?
The first
Yeah.
meal.
Then later lah.
But espresso.
I don't know what desserts you're going.
Okay.
Yeah, correct.
Thank you. This is char grilled and this is basil. And this is fried rice with pork grease. Shrimp, pork belly.
Shrimp, yes. Over here,
And
we got
pork
fried
jaw.
rice.
Okay.
Yay.
Wait, what is this? We've got some green
Bro,
jelly
look at my video. I stopped too early.
with coconut. The
Chat.
girls are at
Chat, should I cut my hair or should I just perm? What's chat thing?
chat will
Chat,
come.
any replies chat? Let me see the chat. No replies. Amazing.
We are at Behind the Chair Studio. I'm done. I just finished my hair.
What camera is here? TGIF for Asia.
We are going to Mekong Delta today.
What's up, vlog? We're in the paddy fields right now. This guy think he's streaming, bro. Yeah, what up, Chad?
What's up, gang? Currently, right now, as you can see, we're in Tanah Merah, somewhere close to the vicinity is Dam's house. Or is it our house?
Actually,
If we hit 1,000 followers, we'll pen stamp right now. You know, hit the
Hit the
like.
like and subscribe button.
Oh shit, we hit 1,000 followers.
Okay, let's do it.
No
gang.
choice.
We're gonna count down.
Wait. Someone's here. One more time, smile.
Hi guys, we're going into the tunnel. Sushi tunnel.
Hey, Zoey, wait! We chilling out here in Mekong River. We got some coconut. What's good?
Hi guys. We're on the Mekong River and we have these really cute hats.
Having a lot of fun. What's up, chat? With the jungle. My homies. Hey, Zoey, if you fall inside, I'm good. This is a Mekong band. Mekong band.
So music melody is running slowly, one by one, unhappy, broken bar. It's faster, louder, that's a happy song.
Hi guys, we're on a tuk-tuk right now.
Chat, what's up? It's Amelia.
It's not.
Chat, what's up? It's Amelia. Pay. One bum and the phone is one.
Yeah, bro.
Nah, sorry, you went like after
Thank you. Look at Zoe, she's so generous.
And Zoe is so generous.
She tipped the driver.
This is what a responsible tourist.
Yeah, hashtag Zoe the role model.
Yes.
Walking to Pizza 4P. Hey, why you must come much sugar? I saw ATM.
ATM.
I don't know that song. Is it ATA?
ATA right?
Oh yeah, is here.
ATA right? So ATM like that's a money machine.
How can we go back to being friends when we...
It's embarrassing, bro.
Hey, the water girl.
Bantine street food.
I said this is you. One more time. Do you can keep your first?
Yeah.
Oh! Cannot lah. Wait,
We are heading to a club.
Oh. What the hell? I'm hungry.
Here got milk toilet, but I don't have female toilet, sorry. Alan, find somewhere eat. Yeah, maybe there's a way good.
I see Chuck and there is a red flag.
You can see it.
They are actually pretty big. They might have some messy,
Hi, we are at Glow Up Mini Golf. There is a challenge to win a free drink if you can get 5 seconds.
Let's go, Marco. Oh!
L entrecôte.
Is it French fry?
Where are we? Say the name.
L entrecôte.
Give me your order French fry. Okay.
What do you do with a broken heart? What's the last phase? Everything is dark. Way too much.
Airport fit, airport fit.
哪一餐王老师你的？
What's that?
Airport fit.
Every time you do this, right? Because they say the other person is too small. It's me, you face me. Then they say you holding the bottle.
Am I supposed to look at the camera?
Why does it not look like freaking? Everything is so unnatural.
How?